What's the matter, Owen? Got the hiccups again? Life is so hard. What's the matter, your baby Daphne? Does your baby have the hiccups? He's